Well, it's the perfect time to get all that extra stuff, big and small, out of your house. So let's get cleaned up and become clutter-free in time for a busy holiday season. Aaron Hosack with 1-800-GOT-JUNK is here to share how they can help you do just that. So Aaron was just telling me that I'd be good for packing the things, but maybe he would be good for like moving all the junk out.
There you go. That's perfect. Yeah, I think we'd be a good tandem.
Okay, awesome. So let's talk about this. Why is it so important to do it right now in the fall season before maybe the cold weather hits?
Yeah, it's a great question. So for me, fall cleaning's the new spring cleaning, right? Like the spring cleanings for the projects, the outdoor stuff. Obviously with the weather change, now we're taking ourselves inside. Great time with the holiday season approaching, with Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas, to go through the storage totes, right? To get out the decorations, consolidate some of that stuff, and just maybe gain some of that space back in the basement or the storage room, wherever it's at.
Well, and I just went through a move, so right now I'm trying to do that and get rid of this stuff. I kind of have the tendency to like give it to my mom and take it back to Topeka, but that's probably not the thing you want to recommend at all.
I don't recommend that. Now we love seeing stuff get reused and recycled, so that's always cool. Always good to hear.
Now, is there anything that you guys would not take, for instance, if people's houses are full of clutter and they just need a little help?
Yeah, the list of what we don't take is a lot smaller of what we actually do take. Hazardous stuff, gasoline, oil, those type of things, right?
Okay.
But I'll tell you what, if you have anything in question, just give us a call. We'll get out there and we'll try our best to get it out.
Okay, and I've got a really good question for you. Okay. Have you guys been doing any exciting jobs, or you just walked into something or like, okay, there's a lot of junk here. Anything you want to share?
We did. We just got done doing about 60 truckloads out of the plaza.
60?
Yeah, a couple weeks ago. At a business that was moving out of the plaza. That was a fun one. Overnight job as well. So our teams did an incredible job on that one. It seems like right now, this time of year, it's the big stuff, right? The riding lawnmowers that people are like, all right, I want to make sure I get a new one next year, so I'm going to get rid of this one right now. My wife can't say something next year. Hot tub season right now. We had
these are good things to get rid of if they're not working.
Especially this time of year. So.
Okay, and how fast can you guys help clear out that junk?
That's a great question. So the game's on tonight. If you're trying to get your party space set up for tonight, we could be there in the next 2 hours to help you out. So,
oh, seriously, that fast?
Absolutely.
Okay, and then how could people get a hold of you?
It's easy. Call the number 1-800-GOT-JUNK or go online 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com.
Well, Aaron, that sounds good. You cannot make it easier than that. Thank you so much for all of these tips. Now, to hire a crew, they can actually come and haul your stuff away. Just call 1-800-GOT-JUNK to make an appointment. You can also get more information online at 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com.